To make my homemade capacitor, I used 2 sheets of paper aluminum foil that measured 10 centimeters by 25 centimeters. I also used a piece of tape, as you can see at the top. I also used 2 sheets of printer paper measuring 11 centimeters by 18 centimeters. I then folded one tip of each aluminum paper like this. I then rolled that same tip of each aluminum foil and made sure to place it so that the extremities, so the tips, sticked out of the paper, which serves as dielectric, which is basically an insulator. So as you can see, I make sure that the tips stick out of the paper. It is important to understand that both pieces of aluminum foil serve as parallel plates in the capacitor. I then rolled the whole thing up together, and as you can see, both aluminum paper foils are still sticking out on the extremity of the capacitor. These serve as conductors. This means that if I were to place a positive probe on one end and a negative probe on the other, my little homemade capacitor would be able to store charges because of the dielectric, so the paper that's in between both parallel plates inside the capacitor. So basically, the positive charges and the negative charges will be attracted to one another, but won't be able to reach each other because of the insulator that's in between them.